Assalamualaikum and hi, I'm Muhammad Raziuddin bin Hajar Nasruddin. Today, I'm gonna present about customer satisfaction survey for the mechanical pineapple sapling planter. Introduction. Pineapple cultivation in Malaysia is one of the sources of income for the local population. The idea of this project is to design and develop a mechanical pineapple sapling planter mechanism with little effort compared to doing manually. This product is also to help increase working capability to reduce time and labor required, which is currently lacking in prison. Next one is goals and objectives. The first objective is to identify the small farmers' need of a product by conducting surveys to the target respondents. Next is to produce concept design of the product based on small farmers' need. Lastly, to fabricate a mechanical pineapple sapling planter to minimize working time and labor costs. Meanwhile, the problem statement is farmers will taking a lot of time to plant pineapple saplings. Next, farmers cannot count how many pineapple saplings has been planted. Lastly, farmers cannot carry extra pineapple saplings. Finally, I would like to talk about product information. Pineapple sapling planter will be used by small farmers to make their job much more easier. Where the conventional sapling planter can plant 30 pineapple saplings in an hour. But our mechanical pineapple sapling planter can plant up to 60 saplings in an hour and can reduce back pain. Our pineapple planter has a digital counter which can count amount of pineapple saplings that has been planted. It also has a basket to hold extra pineapple saplings and will save a lot of time and energy.
Okay, so basically this is a few customer satisfaction survey questionnaire. Firstly, the mechanical pineapple sapling planter is working efficiently. Secondly, the mechanical pineapple sapling planter able to reduce the back pain problems for a pineapple farmer. Thirdly, the mechanical pineapple sapling planter helps to reduce working time. Then, the mechanical pineapple sapling planter is lightweight and is easy to handle and carry everywhere. Next, the mechanical pineapple sapling planter is easy to clean and maintain to ensure its longevity and performance. Next, the mechanical pineapple sapling planter is suitable for a small to large size of industrial farm. Other than that, the mechanical pineapple sapling planter reduce farmer works and effort in planting pineapple compared to the plant using hose. Then the mechanical pineapple sapling planter price is RM280 and it is affordable to purchase. Next, the mechanical pineapple sapling planter should be recommended to another farmer. And lastly, the mechanical pineapple sapling planter should be marketed throughout Malaysia and Borneo. Okay, so this is our first questionnaire. The mechanical pineapple sapling planter is working efficiently. So, according to this analysis, the majority of respondents, 97% in total, have a favorable opinion of the planter efficiency. A significant majority of respondents selecting very agree suggests that the planter is performing particularly well among the consumers. Furthermore, the 8% who choose agree support these favorable emotions, but to a lower amount is because the planter constructed to be user-friendly, making it simple and efficient for people to use. This favorable user experience could be enhanced with intuitive controls, ergonomic design, and clear instructions. Meanwhile, the other 3% consumer disagree because they did not compare our product with other conventional method. Next, our second questionnaire is the mechanical pineapple sapling planter able to reduce the back pain problems for a pineapple farmer. Based on the pie chart above, 97% of consumers very agree and 3% agree with our product. All consumers agree that our project be able to reduce the back pain. From the survey that they agree, because the planter has ergonomically built to reduce back strain and discomfort. This include adequate weight distribution and ergonomic grades allowing farmers to operate the planter with as little strain on their back as possible. Okay, last but not least, our questionnaire is the mechanical pineapple sapling planter helps to reduce working time. From the graph, 86.10% very agree that our project helped to reduce working time, and the other 13.9% disagree with that. Therefore, the mechanical pineapple sapling planter is designed to quickly and consistently plant sampling. It can set saplings in predetermined position more accurately and quickly than manual planting. Because of the enhanced speed and efficiency, farmer may cover more areas in less time, ultimately reducing the overall labor time required for planting.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Zakomiru Zilai. Question 4. The mechanical pineapple sapling planter is lightweight and it easy to handle and carry everywhere. According to the analysis, majority of the users, 86% strongly agree that the pineapple sapling planter is lightweight, easy to handle and can be carried everywhere. This suggests that our product was created with the goal of being lightweight and user-friendly, allowing consumers to handle it comfortably and easily. The other 14% users are agree, albeit to a lesser extent. Next is question 5. The mechanical pineapple sapling planter is easy to clean and maintain to ensure its longevity and performance. Based on the pie chart above, 86% very agree that the majority of response choose very agree, showing that the planter is truly simple to clean and maintain. This high proportion indicate a high level of the satisfaction and confidence in the design and maintenance requirement of the planter. Cleaning and maintenance process are likely to be simple, efficient, and successful in preserving the planter's longevity and optimal performance. An additional 14% agree, confirming that the idea that the planter is simple to clean and maintain. The mechanical pineapple sapling planter is suitable for a small to large size of industrial farm. Based on the graph, all consumers is agree that the mechanical pineapple sapling planter is suitable for a small to large industrial farms. The majority of users, 89%, very agree because the high level of agreement shows that the planter's capabilities, features, and performance are ideally suited to the need of the large-scale farming operations. The other 11% consumers just would agree. Next question is, the mechanical pineapple sapling planter reduce farmer works and effort in planting pineapple compared to plant using hose. The graph above shows the 91.70% very agree that the mechanical pineapple sapling planter reduce farmer works and effort in planting pineapple compared to plant using hose. The high agreement rate suggests that the planter's design and functioning successfully solve the issue encountered when planting pineapple with traditional instruments such as hose, resulting in increased efficiency and less strain on farmer. While a lower minority, 9%, agrees to a lesser extent, they nevertheless recognize some level of the effectiveness in decreasing labor and effort.
Assalamualaikum dan selamat sejahtera. My name is Sadatul Rakila. I want to present about question 8 in our customer satisfaction survey. The question is, the mechanical pineapple sapling planter is priced RM280 and it is affordable to purchase. Okay, by the graph, we can see that the mechanical pineapple sapling planter price at 280 is considered cheap by the majority of consumer, is 69.4%. This suggests that a sizable proportion of consumers consider the pricing to be reasonable and within their financial restriction. Meanwhile, mechanical pineapple sapling planter is inexpensive to acquire for 280. According to a percentage of users, 27.80%. Lastly, a small minority of users, 2.80%, disagree with the claim that the automatic pineapple sapling planter costs 280. This user may find the pricing to be too high or out of their price range. Question 9 is, the mechanical pineapple sapling planter should be recommended to another farmer. The graph above shows the mechanical pineapple sapling planter is strongly recommended to other farmers by the majority of users, is 91.7%. This shows that the device has a high level of happiness and confidence among users, who believe it is a beneficial tool for fellow farmers. A relatively small number of users, 8.3%, disagree with the mechanical pineapple sapling planter's recommendation to other farmers, while the reasons of their disagreement are not given. It is possible this user encountered specific challenge, limits, or alternative preference of that influence their decision. Question 10 is, the mechanical pineapple sapling planter should be marketed throughout Malaysia and Borneo. Based on the graph, the majority of users, 94.4%, strongly agree that the mechanical pineapple sapling planter should be marketed throughout Malaysia and Borneo. This indicates a high level of support for expanding the marketing efforts of the planter of these regions. A smaller percentage of users, 5.6%, agrees that, albeit to a lesser extent, that the mechanical pineapple sapling planter should be marketed throughout Malaysia and Borneo. Although their agreement is not as strong as the majority, they still recognize the potential benefits of expanding the planter's marketing effort to this region. So in conclusion, this survey was conducted to obtain and evaluate customer satisfaction with the mechanical pineapple sapling planter. Their feedback and comments will help us in making improvement to our product. The conclusion is the majority of our customers are satisfied with our product. There are only a few who are not satisfied with it. Maybe because our product have different function according to their needs. We will make improvement to meet customer and needs and to get their satisfaction.